Welcome back to OnShape, and we're going to look at how do we create a drawing with a multi-view and dimensions. Now we set up our template in our last lesson. In order to start making a drawing, first we want to select our part. I want to select the arch that we originally created. So I'll click on the arch and double click to confirm. The arch should open in our file. Once we have the arch present, we want to create a new drawing. So I'm going to come down here to the plus sign where it says Insert New Element. I'll click plus and create drawing. From here, I could go to Recently Opened or Created by Me. And I should see the template that I created. I'm going to select the template and click OK. This will now load in the template we've created and try to guess what part we want to use. Now, the one we see listed is part 1, or the arch part that we created. Now, this could list numerous parts or a full assembly, but for now, we want to focus on just this part. I'll select the part, and it will give me the option to place. Now, this part looks a little small, especially with the size of the drawing sheet. I'm going to come up here to scale. I could do a 1:2 scale, which will make it smaller. Well, that's not the right direction. I can go down and choose 2:1. It's twice as big, but now this seems like it may be a bit too close. So what I'll do is I'll directly edit it somewhere in between and do 1.5. Now the part should be a little more manageable. I'll click the place part. Now this is my front view. Remember, it's the view that often shows the most detail. I'll come up and place the top side view by simply pulling the mouse up without clicking. Once I click, it'll place the view. I'll return to my front side view, click the figure, and then drag the mouse to the right. Again, I have not clicked the mouse yet until I find the position I want. Once I click the mouse, it will place the view. Next, I'll come back to the front side view, click again, and drag diagonally. By dragging diagonally, I'll prepare the isometric view, and I'll place it in this top right quadrant. Now I have all 4 views of my multi-view. I have the front side, the top, and the right. I'm still under the placement tool for the projected view. I need to get out of this tool. So I'll click the tool and I should see the mouse return to normal. Now as I look at these shapes, I see that I can't easily tell what is the top and the side versus the front. The cutout here is clear, but nothing helps differentiate top and side because I can't see hidden lines. To see hidden lines, I want to right-click on the shape, and at the very top of the menu, click Show Hidden Lines. I'll do the same on the side view. Now I can see the hidden lines on the shape, but I'm still missing something. While I can see the shape and I can see the hidden lines, I don't know the size of the shape. In order to find the size, I need to add dimensions. I'll come up to the Dimension tool. I will select the left and the right side of the top side view and pull down. I do want to try to center my dimension. I'll select the front and the back of the top side view, and I'll pull over to the right, again trying to center the dimension. On the front view, I'll click on the top line and the bottom line and move over to the right, centering my dimension. Notice there's an aid to help me line up from the top and the bottom. I now know the depth of the object, the width of the object, and the height. The last thing I need is the radius of this inside circle. So I'll just click on the circle and place it. R tells me that this is the radius. So I know the radius is 1/2 inch. Remember, the diameter was a full inch, so the radius should be half of the diameter. I now have a fully dimensioned sketch. In the future, we'll talk about sketching procedures and the different methodologies associated with it.